The FR-2403 fold and roll riser differs from the FR-2402 because it utilizes a dual-sided deck. This one has a gray carpet on one side and a black polytrack surface on the other. To switch to the opposite side, you'll need to remove the 4 bolts that are holding the deck down. Flip it over, and then reinsert the bolts. Having these dual-sided decks will give you 2 surface options which will help you better meet the needs for differing events. When looking into your next riser, please take this unique feature into consideration.